We recommend repeating the flush and bleed procedure if it cannot be assured the micro hose and necessary adapters and connection devices are free of contamination. See video segment number 3, Service Kit Flush and Bleed. After taking a sample from the SHA system, it may require additional fluid to achieve the proper preload pressure. Make sure the correct hydraulic fluid is used to refill the system. Refer to the SHA documentation. Secure the assembled filling unit vertically with the capped threaded connection upward. Connect one end of the micro hose to the filling unit's compatible fitting and the other end to the factory recommended filling port as defined in the SHA documentation. Refer to the document SHA Fluid Sampling Instructions USH 00197 if using the oil extraction apparatus, and follow these instructions to set the system preload pressure on the pressure switch. Before refilling the SHA system, confirm and document both current values for preload pressure and temperature of the hydraulic fluid in the system. The SHA must not be in operation. Set the maximum pressure to the correct required system pressure on the upper ring of the pressure switch. This pressure is determined using the SHA documentation based on current system temperature. The chart shown in this video is for example only. Secure this pressure setting by using the upper locking ring of the pressure switch. Connect the pressure switch to the factory recommended port on the SHA. Refer to the SHA documentation as necessary. Start the drive unit by pressing the green Power On button of the control electronics unit. Fluid is displaced from the fluid kit into the system and preload pressure increases until the previously set shutoff pressure is reached. When pressure is achieved, the drive unit switches off. We recommend checking the preload pressure again after approximately 1 minute. If incremental increases are necessary, the drive unit motor may be run for short periods by pressing the orange manual mode push button. Releasing the button stops the drive unit. In this manual mode operation, the pressure switch does not control the drive unit. It is imperative to not overpressurize the system using manual mode operation. Disassemble the service kit and store the individual components with their respective protective caps replaced in the correct pockets of the service kit case.